Dallas rapper Yella Beezy, born Marquise DeAndre Conway, has been a prominent figure in the music industry, known for his 2017 hit single, "That's On Me." However, his career has been marred by legal troubles and violent incidents. On November 11, 2020, fellow Dallas rapper Melvin Noble, known as MO3, was fatally shot in broad daylight on Interstate 35E. The assailant, armed with a rifle, approached Noble's vehicle, prompting Noble to flee on foot. He was pursued and shot multiple times, later succumbing to his injuries at a local hospital. In February 2021, Kewon White was indicted on a murder charge in connection with Noble's death. White was later sentenced to nearly 9 years in federal prison for unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. The investigation took a significant turn in March 2025, when a Dallas County grand jury indicted Yella Beezy on charges of capital murder for remuneration. Authorities allege that Conway hired White to carry out the killing of MO3. Default text following the indictment. Conway was arrested on March 20, 2025, and booked into the Dallas County Jail. His bond was initially set at $2 million. During a bond reduction hearing on March 26, 2025, family members testified about Conway's financial hardships. As a result, the court reduced his bond to $750,000. Conway secured his release by posting the $750,000 bond, which, under Texas law, typically requires a defendant to pay 10% of the bond amount to a bail bond company. The rivalry between Yella Beezy and MO3 was well documented, with both artists hailing from Dallas and often competing for the same audience. They exchanged diss tracks and engaged in public disputes over the years. In October 2018, Conway survived a drive-by shooting while driving on the Sam Rayburn Tollway in Lewisville, Texas. He was hospitalized for over a week following the incident. Conway's legal troubles extend beyond the current murder charge. In February 2021, he was arrested for unlawful carrying of a weapon after police found 5 guns in his vehicle during a traffic stop in Dallas. Later in 2021, Conway faced charges in Collin County, including sexual assault and child endangerment. However, court records indicate that these cases were closed without a conviction. In July 2024, Conway was named in a lawsuit filed in Harris County, alleging that he and singer Chris Brown assaulted 4 men after a concert in Fort Worth. Conway's legal team denied his involvement in the incident. Imus3, born Melvin Noble, gained recognition with his debut mixtape Shatas in 2014, and later collaborated with notable artists like Boozy Badazz. His music often reflected his experiences growing up in North Dallas. The Dallas rap scene has been marked by violence in recent years, with the deaths of several artists highlighting ongoing tensions within the community. The arrest of Yella Beezy underscores the complexities and challenges faced by artists navigating fame amid personal and professional conflicts. As the legal proceedings continue, the case remains a focal point in discussions about the intersection of music, rivalry, and violence in the hip-hop industry. The outcome will likely have lasting implications for all parties involved and the broader Dallas music community.